Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. Went by my local hobby shop, Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies today, picked up something for the stash and a few supplies for the bench. And while I was there, stuck my head out in the hot rod shop, and you have got to see what was in there. Stick around, we'll have some fun. As many of you know, the Lumina, the 32nd scale Lumina, I ran into a terrible problem this close to being totally finished with that thing. And since ACME's over, I kind of slowed down. I wasn't rushing it. Actually, I found a couple things I want to go back and add to it. But the reason I didn't take it down there was the windows. I knew there was a problem, but I didn't have an idea that it was anywhere near that big an issue. So I went by the hobby shop today and picked up some 15 thousandths clear. I was getting low on it, and I needed, I've already made a couple of them that just didn't work out, so I picked up another sheet of that, needed that. While I was there, I ran into something I did not know they had. I've been airbrushing the acrylic in the tire or rubber black, and this is the rubber black in the TS in the spray, and I didn't even know that was available. So scoop that up. I'll let you know how this works. I've been just thinning the acrylic and then shooting, well, where'd it go? There it is. And then just shooting it through the airbrush, and it works great. So if this works like this is gonna be great. So I'll let you know how that goes. Also picked up another, and I like the fine surface primer. Picked up another one in the pink while I was there. If you're going to paint something that's black, red, darker colors, this is a great base for you too. But if you don't know about primers, we'll do another thing on that later. White primer, gray primer, dark gray, light gray, all that kind of stuff. White, just good stuff, good stuff. But while I was there, I got thinking about a particular truck for the truck theme at ACME. I checked with my buddy Bob, and I asked him, I said, El Camino's would qualify, and he said, yeah. So I'm thinking about doing something with this 68, remove the vinyl top, and I built this kit before in the past, but I thought, you know what, I got an idea. So take that vinyl top off, do a little body altering here and there, but I've got a kind of cool idea for a hot rod truck, so to speak. But if you've never built this kit, it's pretty cool. It really is. And how do you go wrong with an El Camino? Good old Chevelle-based body anyway. Now, you guys have got to see what was in the hot rod shop. Check this out. Hey guys, we're at Mason's Hot Rods and Hobby Shop. We're leaving the hobby shop, going out in the hot rod shop here for a second and see what's out here. Ooh, check it out. 57 convertible. We'll start here. Man, I love having a hobby shop that's got a real hot rod shop in the back. Is this not cool? Wow. This is awesome. Oh, check it out over here, guys. T-Bird. We'll get over to that in just a second. Comet. Man, this thing is sharp. '66, I think. Wow. And look at here, a Shelby. This must be one of the start to a restoration. Wow. Cobra Mons. Get back here where we can get a better view of this thing. That's not just cool, guys. If you're a car guy like I am, this is just great. And Jerry's Ford. Looks like they're starting to work on the top. Got the inside fender wells done. Gonna be beautiful. Hoss looking thing sitting under there. Let's take a look at this T-bird over here. Sorry guys, I'm stepping around jacks and everything else here. Guys are at lunch right now, so. That's a big block. Every time I walk in here, which is once a week or every other week, this is the kind of stuff that's in here. Awesome. I see something in the body shop and I can't get to it. They got the lights off in there, but I see another Ford sitting there. I'm not sure what that is. Ooh. I still can't tell what's back in the body shop, but cool stuff. Well, that's it for this trip, guys. I'm going back in the hobby shop. I just came over to pick up some paint, and that was it. But I thought I'd share this with you. Cool stuff. Okay, guys. Thanks for tagging along.